Hey tubers, it's been a busy life. Hopefully I'll be cranking out videos again and it'll all sort itself out. You just get caught up in things. I've tried to sell my raft in West Virginia, and I gotta tell you, those kids kayaking today, driving those back roads on the gully, road rally drivers got nothing on those boys or girls. I damn near crashed in a tree. But all that hopping and bouncing, when I got home, I noticed my truck was sitting kind of funny. And one of the springs is kind of cattywamped from the look of it, but when I started looking a little closer, it seems like one of the shocks might have collapsed on the driver's side. So plan is jack the truck up and I bought Monroe OEM replacement shocks, and they came with the top washers, rubber grommets, and a new bolt. I've done this job before on the Tundra, but the truth is I'm getting so soft I can't remember how I did it, and I'm too lazy to go look into videos. So I just kind of crawled under. I've come up with a plan, and I'm going to wing it. The American plan. Okay. OE Spectrum, OE Spectrum, that's what the sticker says. Let me get to work. I guess my first step is to jack up the truck, and then I want to put a jack stand under it to support not the axle, but I want to support the bed and frame so that when I pull the shock out, it just doesn't all collapse on me. Give me maximum room. So that's the plan. Let's see if we can pull it off. I brought out a pad because I'm getting kind of lazy crawling on the stones. Oh. I should also close the tailgate. That could be really dangerous. No, not tall. I'm going to use this block, and let's see if that's too high. Yeah, that's going to be too high. So I'm not going to use that. Would you believe my family told me I'm too old to be sleeping in a tent and sleeping in my truck? It's almost criminal. Really, it's almost criminal to say that to me. Ugh. I don't want to be wearing that. I go from too low to too high. Too low to too high. I need about 4 inches, a 2x4 thickness would be nice. I'm gonna turn you off. This is gonna get a brutal search. Okay, break time's over. Let me show you what we got under here. Oh, you can actually see pretty nice. And what we're looking at here, okay, we're under the truck. That's the rear diff, driver's side shock absorber. There's just a bolt on the top and a bolt on the bottom, or nut on the top, whatever. And it's the same thing on the other side, but that one seems to be a little bit trickier to get to because of the exhaust. Like I said, I've done it before, I just don't remember what I did. And rust-wise, little surface rust here and there maybe. None of the panels are rusted. The bumper is rusting to shit. But it's got all the good stickers. Now see, look, even some stone is stuck in here. And I can't get that shit out, can I? I don't know. No. No, obviously not. Oh, there's lots of stones in there, so I'm not going to worry about that. Anyways, let me find some wrenches and ratchets and whatever else I think I need, and I'll pull that off. You're not going to be able to see me working under here. I can't really film it. If something interesting happens, I'll let you know. But I've supported the body, and this way when I pull out the shock, I still should be able to have the space to drop the new one in. No. Well, job's done. I gotta tell you, it took more time setting the damn thing up than it actually did to do it. And I'll give you my big tip of the day in a second here. Let me just get this truck back on its own 2 feet. Oh, I'm glad I'm done. These things are shot. They're all stiff and pissing by. But here's my tip of the day. The hardest thing to get to was that little top nut on it. You can put a wrench on it, but you know, there's no place to turn. Put the wrench on it, turn the top cone, and it unscrews way easier. I screwed up the first time and I'm playing. The second time, put it on, I gave it to, I said, oh, that's just too simple. But yeah, these things are toast. The shocks inside of them are just wasted. That's the video. Oh, I'll give you an extra second. Here. You want to see what's underneath? All right, there it is. A professional installation. Brand new shocks on each side. New rubber bushings, everything. Should ride much nicer. Ugh. It's taken more time to do the cleanup than it has to do the job.